Welcome, knife enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the TWOSUN TS596 folding knife. Crafted in collaboration with WONG Design. It features a high-performance Sandvik 14C28 stainless steel blade, vacuum, and cryogenically heat-treated to achieve an exceptional hardness of 59 to 61 HRC. The blade sports a rugged stonewashed finish, the ultimate choice for scratch resistance and outdoor durability. Its ergonomic handle combines premium TC4 titanium alloy with sleek carbon fiber inlays. It uses a robust liner lock mechanism for solid engagement. Let's break it down and inspect the internal engineering. Here we have the precision-milled carbon fiber overlay, paired with a matching titanium alloy backspacer. Notice this key feature: a signature TWOSUN titanium washer design, machined to exact tolerances. Here's our smooth ceramic ball bearing system, engineered for lightning-fast, drop-shut deployment. Internal weight reduction milling keeps the blade perfectly balanced, without compromising structural integrity. We also incorporate a stainless steel washer insert, featuring a precision raceway track inside. This protects the titanium body from wear, ensuring buttery smooth action cycle after cycle. It provides exceptional blade stability and lockup. Next up is the custom pocket clip. Also 3D, machined from solid titanium for effortless EDC carry. Let's put this masterpiece back together. Ensure the detent track perfectly aligns with the ceramic ball. Let's dial in the pivot tension and check overall centering. This versatile blade excels at precise slicing moves, as well as heavy push cuts. It's a truly versatile, high-performance EDC folder. Let's run a paper cut test to test out this razor-sharp factory edge. Slices like butter, absolutely razor-sharp right out of the box. Currently, this knife is featured in our live auction event with special promo pricing. Starting bids begin at an insane 99 cents. If you want to grab one, head over to our website right now, www.TWOSUN-YANGYANG.com. Thanks for watching, and happy bidding!